Okay, so next is the synthesis of leukotrienes and lipoxins. So leukotrienes are compounds which are found in the leukocytes. That's why the name leukotrienes. So leukotrienes are molecules or compounds synthesized from arachidonic acid itself, but the pathway is something different. It is a lipoxygenase pathway. So the enzyme complex or the lipoxygenase pathway results in the formation of a class of two group of compounds known as leukotrienes and lipoxins. Leukotrienes are compounds which are found in macrophages, leukocytes. Leukocytes like macrophages, mast cells, etc. Right? And how are they found? The arachidonic acid will be acted upon by lipoxygenase enzyme system to result in the formation of a compound known as hydroperoxy icosa tetraenoic acid, that is HPETE. That is hydroperoxy icosa tetraenoic acid, HPETE. These HPETs are of three different types: 5 HPETs, 15 HPETs, and 12 HPETs. Right? So, what is HPET? It is the presence of a hydroperoxy molecule, right? So hydroperoxy, this is the peroxy means when two oxygen atoms comes together, we call it as peroxide, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, right? So this is hydroperoxy. H is attached to a peroxy molecule, so it is a OH, right? So this is a additional or substitution happening in the arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid undergoes some sort of rearrangements and results in the addition of a hydroperoxy group. And this addition or the location of the hydroperoxy group can vary. If it is on the fifth position, we call it as 5-HPETE. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So OH is on the, if the OH is located on the fifth carbon atom, we call it as 5 HPETs. If it is located on the 12th carbon atom, we call it as 12 HPETs. And if it is on the 15th position, we call it as 15 HPETE. Right? So there are three classes of HPETs, and all of them are formed by lipoxygenase enzyme itself. But the name varies. If it is catalyzed by 5 lipoxygenase, it results in the formation of 5 HPETs. And if it is catalyzed by 12 lipoxygenase, it results in the formation of 12 HPET. And if it is catalyzed by 15 lipoxygenase enzyme, the arachidonic acid is converted into 15 HPETs. Right? So these are the compounds first formed. So this is not the leukotriene. Now the leukotriene has to be synthesized. Leukotrienes are formed from the lipoxygenase molecule. So the 5 lipoxygenase then acted upon by, then they are the 5-HPET molecule is then acted upon by peroxidase enzyme to give rise to the leukotriene. So this peroxide molecule is now removed, and it is catalyzed by the enzyme peroxidase. So 5-HPET is acted upon by peroxidase enzyme. The OOH is removed in the form of water molecule and results in the form of leukotriene. Leukotrienes are different types: LTA, LTB, LTC, LTD, and LGE. Leukotriene A, leukotriene B, leukotriene C, D, and E. There are different types of leukotrienes. So the first one to be formed is leukotriene A, or A2, A4, etc. A, then different subclasses are there. So the first compound to be formed is the leukotriene A4, leukotriene LTA4. This is the LTA4. You need not have to study the structure, you just study the name. Okay, so arachidonic acid is acted upon by 5 lipoxygenase enzyme, introducing a hydroperoxy group on the fifth position to give rise to 5-HPETE, hydroperoxy icosa tetraenoic acid, which undergoes peroxidation by peroxidase enzyme. It is then acted upon by peroxidase enzyme so that it is converted into stable product, and the stable product is obtained is the leukotriene A4. This LTA4 is acted upon by 15 lipoxygenase to give rise to lipoxin. So there are two classes of molecules, leukotrienes and lipoxins. So leukotrienes are first formed, right? So leukotrienes are formed, and it is catalyzed by lipoxygenase enzyme. This lipoxygenase enzyme if the lipoxidase enzyme first coming is 5-lipoxidase results in the form of 5-SPETE. 5-SPETE converts it into, by in presence of peroxidase enzyme, it is converted into leukotriene A4. Leukotriene A4 is then acted upon by 15-lipoxidase enzyme to give rise to lipoxin A4. Lipoxin A4, or the lipoxin A4 can be directly formed. That is, arachidonic acid can be converted into 15-SPETE by 15-lipoxidase. Then it is followed by 5-lipoxidase. Appa order of reaction is different. Right? If 5-lipoxidase ആണ് ആദ്യം വരണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ the LT-A4 ആണ് ആദ്യം. Leukotriene A4 ആദ്യം വരും. Leukotriene A4 can be converted into lipoxin A4 by 15-lipoxidase. And the alternative can also happen. That is, arachidonic acid can be first acted upon by 15-lipoxidase to give rise to 15-SPETE first. 15-SPETE then undergoes peroxidation followed by 5-lipoxidase enzyme to give rise to LXA4. Okay, so the lipoxins are formed from leukotriene A4. Okay, leukotriene A4, right? This is the method with which the leukotrienes and lipoxins are formed. Then leukotriene A4 can also be converted into other leukotrienes like leukotriene B4 by the removal, addition of a water molecule at all. That is, oxane ring system is removed and an OH is also introduced. So you need not have to study the structure. Just leukotriene A4 can be converted into leukotriene B4 by hydration. Then the same leukotriene A4 can be converted to leukotriene C4. Then can also, that from C4 D4 is formed. D4 is converted into E4. So these are the different types of leukotrienes. So arachidonic acid acted upon by lipoxygenases. Based on the type of the lipoxidase, there are 3 different types of intermediates formed. The intermediate is called as hydroperoxyeicosatetraenoic acid. So tetraene, that is 4 double bond, right? So tetraenoic acid. If it is 5-lipoxidase, the compound formed is 5-SPETE. If it is 12-lipoxidase, then it is known as 12-SPETE. And if it is 15-SPETE, 15-lipoxidase, it is known as 15-SPETE, right? Then 15-SPETE can be directly converted into lipoxins by 5-lipoxidase, or 5-SPETE followed by peroxidation of 15-lipoxidase enzyme give rise to leukotriene A4 and finally LXA4. Okay, and this is a catabolic product. 5-SPETE can be acted upon by peroxidase enzyme to give 5-HETE. That is hydroxy eicosatetraenoic acid. 5, that is hydroperoxy removal is removed. Okay, so that is how the leukotrienes and lipoxins are synthesized. Now, what are the functions of leukotrienes? Leukotrienes are synthesized from arachidonic acid, giving rise to a highly unstable hydroperoxy eicosatetraenoic acid, and may be acted upon by peroxidase enzyme to give rise to 5-hydroxy eicosatetraenoic acid, or it can be converted into the lipoxins or other type of leukotrienes from leukotriene A4, right? So leukotriene A4, it's known as epoxy hydrolase enzyme. Epoxy hydrolase enzyme converts 5-SPETE to leukotriene A4, while 5-SPETE can be acted upon by peroxidase enzyme to give 5-hydroxy eicosatetraenoic acid. Clear? So this one stands for peroxidase enzyme. So HPT is, if it is acted upon by peroxidase enzyme, it gave rise to 5-hydroxy eicosatetraenoic acid. അതല്ലാന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ 5-HPT, if it is acted upon by epoxide hydrolase enzyme, it gave rise to leukotriene A4. Leukotriene A4 can be converted into lipoxane A4 by 15-lipoxidase. Similarly, so 15-SPET can either be acted upon by peroxidase enzyme. If it is acted upon by peroxidase enzyme, it gives rise to 15-hydroxy eicosatetraenoic acid. അതല്ല 5-lipoxidase വെച്ചിട്ടാണ് ആക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ 15-SPET is converted into lipoxin A4. So there are 2 routes through which LXA4 can be formed. Lipoxin 4 A4 can be formed in 2 different ways, either from 15-SPET by the action of 5-lipoxidase, or by 15-lipoxidase through the action of 5-HPET or leukotriene A4. Clear? So this is how the lipoxins and leukotrienes, the various types of leukotrienes are synthesized. And another characteristic feature of leukotrienes and lipoxins are there is that, നിങ്ങൾ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോ, ഇവിടെ arachidonic acid, in the case of prostanoids, the arachidonic acid will be converted into PGG2. Cyclooxygenase enzyme varnatana PGG2 and followed by PGH2 vanirunna. So that they will be forming a cyclic ring system. So in case of prostaglandins, prostacyclins and thromboxanes, there was a characteristic ring system. In case of prostaglandins and prostacyclins, there was a cyclopentane ring system. While in case of thromboxane, there was another ring system which is known as oxane ring system. Oxane ring system. Yeah, this is known as the oxane ring system, thromboxane. So thromboxanes are made up of oxane ring system, while prostaglandins and prostacyclins are having cyclopentane ring system. Okay, while so that is prostanoids are having characteristic rings. In the case of prostaglandins and prostacyclins, there is the cyclopentane ring system. While in case of thromboxane, it is not the cyclopentane, it is having an oxane ring system. Oxane agatthekku vechittulla oru 6-membered ring system is there. So it is an oxane ring system. Okay, in which an oxygen atom is incorporated into the ring system. So it is known as an oxane ring system. So thromboxane is having oxane ring system, while prostaglandins and prostacyclins are having cyclopentane ring system. But in the case of leukotrienes and lipoxins, there is no such characteristic ring system presence. See, it is not either ring system alla ivide adu close cheyidilla, so it is not having any characteristic ring. It is devoid of ring system. No ring structures are present in the case of leukotrienes and lipoxins. And they are acting as, what are the functions of leukotrienes and lipoxins? The leukotrienes are acting as the leukocytes, WBCs. So they are mainly involved in the immunological system of the body. So they are inflammation cause. Wheel and flare formation. What is wheel and flare? We have already discussed. Then they increases the vascular permeability. Blood supply കൂടുമ്പോഴാണ്, അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് മുറിഞ്ഞ സ്ഥലത്ത് റെഡ്നെസ് വരുന്നത്. റെഡനിങ് ഓഫ് ദ സ്കിൻ ഇസ് ഡ്യൂ ടു an increased blood supply. അപ്പൊ ബ്ലഡ് സപ്ലൈ കൂടണമെങ്കിൽ എന്ത് വേണം? വാസ്കുലർ പെർമിയബിലിറ്റി ഷുഡ് ബി ഇൻക്രീസ്ഡ്. സോ the leukotrienes, what does they do? They will be inducing inflammatory response. They causes wheel and flare formation. Then increases the vascular permeability. Then they bring about, they attracts chemochemicals like chemokines and chemotaxis. കെമിക്കൽസ് ഒരുപാട് ഹിസ്റ്റമീൻ ഒക്കെ ഫോം ചെയ്യും. അപ്പൊ അങ്ങനെ ഒരുപാട് ഇപ്പൊ ഏതെങ്കിലും ബാക്ടീരിയ, ഫംഗസോ വൈറസ് എങ്ങാനും ഇഞ്ചുറി സൈറ്റിലേക്ക് വന്നു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവരെ ബോഡി തന്നെ കില്ല് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഒരു മെക്കാനിസം ഉണ്ട്. ബോഡി ഇറ്റ്സെൽഫ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസസ് സർട്ടൻ കെമിക്കൽസ്. സോ there this phenomenon of bringing the chemicals towards the site of injury is known as chemotaxis. The chemotaxis, റൈറ്റ്. ഒരു ബ്രഷിന്റെ പേസ്റ്റിന്റെ അങ്ങോട്ട് ഒരു ആഡ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ടാക്സി വിളിച്ചു വരിക എന്ന് പറയണില്ലേ, റൈറ്റ്? Ayushman Khurrana. So similarly, the chemicals will be taxi pidichittana avaru varnathu. So that phenomenon is known as chemotaxis. So the attraction of chemicals towards the site of injury, that phenomenon is known as chemotaxis. And chemokines. So there will be attraction of chemicals towards the site of injury in order to expel the bacteria, fungus, virus, etc. away from the body. Like a body to a protective mechanism. And all these phenomena will be increased by leukotrienes. And they are relatively stable. Leukotrienes, prostaglandins, prostacyclins are having, and thromboxanes are having a very short half-life. They will be immediately catabolized within 1 minute. Less than 30 minutes, 30 seconds, 1 minute, they will be catabolized. But in case of leukotrienes, they are relatively stable and they are more potent than histamine. Histamine എന്നുള്ള ബോഡിയുടെ ഒരു കെമിക്കൽ ആണ്. ക്ലിയർ? ഈ ഇഞ്ചുറി സൈറ്റിലേക്കൊക്കെ വരുമ്പോൾ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഈ ആസ്മാറ്റിക് പേഷ്യൻസിലൊക്കെ എപ്പോഴും ഡസ്റ്റ് ഒക്കെ വരുമ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെ ഫോറിൻ സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ആണല്ലോ. അപ്പൊ അതിനൊക്കെ കില്ല് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ബോഡി പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന കെമിക്കലാണ് ഹിസ്റ്റമീൻ. ഹിസ്റ്റമീൻ ഇസ് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ബൈ ദ അമിനോ ആസിഡ് ഹിസ്റ്റഡീൻ. അപ്പൊ ഹിസ്റ്റമീൻ ഒക്കെ ഒരു പൊട്ടന്റ് അലർജന്റ് ആണ്, അലർജി റിമൂവിങ് സബ്സ്റ്റൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പൊ അതിനെക്കാട്ടിലും പൊട്ടന്റ് ആണ് ലൂക്കോട്രൈൻസ്. അതുപോലെ ലിപ്പോക്സിൻസിന്റെ കേസ് എടുക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ദേ ആർ ഫാമിലി ഓഫ് tetraenes, and they're also produced by leukocytes. Even leukocytes, lipoxins are also produced by leukocytes, and they also are mainly involved in the immunological function. They are vasoactive substances. That is, blood in attract substances are clear. So these are the different functions of eicosanoids. So eicosanoids, they are 20 carbon compounds produced from the omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, mainly the arachidonic acid. Arachidonic acid will be formed from phospholipases, which is the rate limiting step of the pathway. and this again controlled by calcium. So arachidonic acid is formed. Then it can enter either into cyclooxygenase pathway or into lipoxygenase pathway. Cyclooxygenase ആണെങ്കിൽ prostanoids, otherwise leukotrienes